Et c'est bon de partir n'importe où. Bras dessus, bras dessous.
Where do you go for date 1, date 2, date 3? Where do you go for dinner with the parents? Where to go for, let's say, a fancy aunt in town? So I hope it covers all the different occasions that anyone could possibly come up with, because they're based all on real recommendations that I've made through the 4 years that I've been writing Table Hopper.
Les passants dans la rue nous envient. C'est bon de guetter danser.
People really dine out for different occasions. It would be like, girls' night out or birthday dinner, first date. And that's when I had the epiphany that restaurant guidebooks are often based on the location or cuisine type or price point. But nobody had ever really addressed why we dine out. So that was the 1,500 recommendations that I've made over the past 4 years were definitely the impetus for the book. We're definitely a family of good eaters and good cooks, and my mother and my father both are just incredible cooks. We used to have a pizzeria and a delicatessen. My Uncle Frank had a pizzeria, my aunt had a deli, so I think it's no surprise that I love pizza and salumi. But I think it started at an early age with just eating really well. We always had a garden, just a lot of home-cooked food, and so that really, I think, primed my palate for it. But then I really loved restaurants. Like the first experience I remember really well. And it started this little bug. And so whenever it was my birthday, my parents would ask, okay, where do you want to go? And so that's where the love of restaurants started. And it just kind of went along from there. I was an English major in college. And then I was in advertising as a copywriter. But then when I got laid off, I got to finally really think about what I wanted to do. And it was write about restaurants.